Today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 238 different strategies, with 76 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 127 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,001 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 15-minute day trading strategy. So the source video says this trend indicator is 10 times better than the moving average. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy and see how this indicator functions and whether or not it's better than a moving average. And so what we're going to do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators here. And so the first indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the LNL trend system, this one right here. Click that, add it to the screen, and go ahead and jump into the settings. We're going to make a few changes here. So under the HTF mode right here, you're going to change that to manual. And under the HTF aggregation here, you're going to change that to 120, like that. Then what you will want to do is scroll down here and turn off the show stop line right here. And then the last thing I did was to turn on the show HTF cloud, this one right here. So you go ahead and click that one on. The next indicator you will want to add to the screen is going to be the twin range filter. And so it's going to be this one right here. Again, click that, add it to the screen. And on this one, we'll leave it on its defaults. Yes, everything stays on its default setting. And so what we're looking for with a long trade or a buy trade is we are looking for a long tag right here from the twin range filter. And when we get that a long tag right there, what we are looking for is the bar coloration, the candlestick bar coloration, to be green. We want, and it's kind of hard to see, let me turn off the twin range filter. The line here, which is a solid line, looks like a moving average. You want that to be green. This cloud here right below it, you want to be green. And this larger cloud here, you want to be green. So all aspects here of the LNL trend system is green, along with that buy tag or long tag right there. And so when all that lines up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a trade. We're going to set our stop just right below the swing, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. And you see a really nice push there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, and for a short trade, what we are looking for is the short tag right here. We are then looking for the moving average solid line here to be red. We're looking for the cloud to be red and this cloud to be red, as well as the candles themselves red. So everything lines up as red there. That's going to be our signal to enter into a short. So we're going to set our trade right here, and we're going to put our stop just right above this little swing right here as it came down and created this move to the downside. And we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see what we get. And this one takes just a little bit longer. We come down, push back up, and then eventually roll over and make this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades, putting it at a 28% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,400 for an overall loss of $6,000 altogether. Definitely not 10 times better than a moving average. And again, I've said this before, but some people confuse complexity with efficiency. And so they tend to add more and more things onto a strategy or indicator to the point to where it's so overly complex that it gives very few signals and ultimately ends up not being efficient or profitable. It just ends up being too complex. And so this is the case for this one. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 92 trades altogether. We had 65 winning trades and 27 losing trades, putting it at a 70% win rate. It's not wonderful on the 15-minute time frame, but that's what the source video had this strategy on. So we went ahead and tested it. The Academy of Forex indicator works best on the 30-minute or even the 5-minute, but definitely the 30-minute. Now, out of those 92 trades, we got 65 winning trades and, like I said, 27 losing trades, putting it at the 70% win rate. So if you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $39,000 altogether. On the losing side, you would have lost $24,300 for an overall gain of $14,700. So significantly better results and profit from the Academy of Forex indicator. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of what signals or trades the Academy of Forex indicator signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 6 trades altogether, 4 winning trades, 2 losing trades, 66% win rate. That would have been a gain of $840. And on the crypto coin, we had 3 trades altogether, 1 winning trade, 2 losing trades, putting it at a 33% win rate. That would have been a drawdown of $960. On the week, we would have been down $120, a small red week. Add that to our 19-week total, or I guess subtract it from the 19-week total, and now we would have been up $37,060 over 165 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the account there, and so really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. This one is going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.